Welcome everybody. Today I just want to do a quick little video on this engine I bought off eBay. It's a Lionel Daylight 484, number 4454. This is supposedly a Lionel engine. Now, the drawbar is broke on the engine. So I decided to do a search on the web, see if I could find the drawbar. And when I put in for the 484 Daylight, it came up, it took me to the Bachman store, their e-store, and sure enough, it's the exact same drawbar. This engine was made in 1975, 76, and I also went to the HO Seeker's website. He's got a lot of literature on engines there. If you look at the breakdown of the engine and the breakdown of the Bachman engine, they are identical. So if you need parts for your Lionel engine, always look at different brands, because even in the 50s and 60s, from what I understanding, is River Rossi produced the HO engines for Lionel. So as far as the old gauge stuff, yeah, Lionel made them, but their HO stuff, I guess a lot of that was produced by other companies. So just to give you a little info, if you need parts for your Daylight, go to the Bachman website, their Bachman e-store, and they do have, I know these also had a problem with the gears in them, and even mine, you could see they're out of a line. So the drive rods, so most likely the gears might be bad. Bachman does sell the complete wheel set. They don't sell you the gears, they sell you the complete wheel set. But I think there is other people out there that are making just the gears for them. You just have to do a search for it. But outside of that, that's about it. Just wanted to give a quick update on that, just so let you know. Check other companies. HO Seeker is a good place for literature, showing breakdowns on the engine. So you can always match it up with others to see where you can get your parts from. All right, have a good day.